Hello USA! It's gonna be a best tutorial in Android camera lovers. We are going to display 6 best non-public Android camera apps, in which you will get funny camera app, beauty camera app, instant snap camera, camera lens app, makeup camera app, and lot more. Let's gotta get started. First displayed app is 1998 Cam. This Android camera app completely matched the camera we got in 1998. Same lens, same picture quality, etc. If you want to go to 1998 to feel old days, then this Android camera app for you. Here we can choose vintage image filter, old film print for our videos, blank and white images with just few clicks, and you're ready to go. The second Android camera app will be Bestie. It's a beauty camera Android app. Now watch the images which are captured by Bestie Android application. Our third application name is Sweep Snap. Sweep Snap camera app come with built-in animals, jewelry, space characters, stickers, which you can embed on your photo live while capturing. Our fourth Android camera app is Pretty Makeup. This application gonna give your picture a life with makeup. This amazing Android app go make up your picture like you had that before capture your photo. You can choose lipstick, eyebrows, eyeliner, eyelashes, foundation, eye color, blush, hair color, hairstyle, etc. It's not gonna be wrong that this Android camera app also a best photo editor. And last, 2 bonus Android camera apps for you. The one is Ultra Camera, which can extra zoom your photos without destroy pixels. And second is LD Android camera app. LD app will correct the lens light which usually annoys, and also correct backlight of pictures.